In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit file sharing in Google Drive. This is a handy skill if you want to have more control over who can access, download, or share your files. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to ensure your Google Drive is configured exactly how you want it. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by heading over to drive.google.com. Once you land on the home page, you'll see a list of all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, let's say there's a specific file that you want to restrict sharing on. Simply find and click on that file to reveal more options. When you've selected the file, look towards the top of the screen or right-click on the file name. You'll see three dots, usually referred to as the More Options button. This button is your key to fine-tuning file settings, so go ahead and click on it. The next step is to hover your mouse over the Share option. Moving your cursor over this option will bring up several further actions you can take. Here's where you can adjust who has access to the file and what they can do with it. Now click on Share. This action will open a new window where you have a comprehensive overview of the current sharing settings applied to your file. In this window, you'll see a list of people who currently have access and the specific permissions granted to them, whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Once the sharing settings window is open, look for a small gear icon in the top right corner. This gear is a settings icon, crucial for detailed viewing and sharing control. Click on the settings icon and a menu will drop down with a few important options. Now focus on the option that says viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Initially this may be checked, meaning those who can view or comment on the file can also download, print, and copy it, potentially allowing them to share it with others outside of your intended circle. To restrict this, simply uncheck this box. This small action will prevent viewers and commenters from downloading, printing, or copying your file, adding an extra layer of protection to your content. Once you've unchecked the option, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Done. It's always a good habit to double check that these settings have been applied correctly by revisiting the share settings or asking a collaborator to confirm the changes. And there you have it, you've successfully set limits on file sharing for increased security and privacy within Google Drive. Remember, managing your file sharing settings and permissions is crucial to maintaining control over your personal and professional data. Feel free to reach out with any questions or if there are other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.